Hey everybody, this is Chris, and I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and thank everybody for subscribing to my channel this year. I've had some great growth this year, so many thanks to everybody for subscribing to my channel. This is your channel for all things Hubsan Zino, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, go through my videos, and you'll see a ton of content that will help you successfully keep your Zino flying in the air. And I will continue to do that with the new Zino 2, and I have some announcements for you on that right now. And just want to first say they have the pre-sale of $399 right now. That is ending January 1st. So you might want to jump on that one because it's going to go up to $499, and eventually we all know there will be price wars and things like that, but GearBest has been selected as the exclusive pre-sale dealer, and they will have the immediate sales thereafter. So anybody else that does the pre-sales are probably going to have to still wait for stock because production does not happen quickly on these things. So this sale ends January 1st. Again, $399. So you have about a week from the release of this video to make that purchase to get on the pre-sales. And then the first shipment's going to arrive at GearBest on January 1st. And then they're going to get a second shipment on January 10th. That's the current schedule, so when they get these shipments in on January 1st, they'll start shipping out pre-orders, and most likely, since there's been a little bit of delay in testing, there was a delay in some app testing, us reviewers are probably going to be getting them around the same time as some of the early pre-sale orders. So originally it was scheduled that us reviewers would get them definitely before the pre-sale orders, but now I think just guessing we might get them a little bit later based on the time that they're going to get them and start shipping them out. So unless they ship ours like express shipping, 2-day shipping or something like that, we should be receiving them about the same time as the early pre-orders. So those are your shipment dates and the pre-sale information. The channels that are going to be reviewing this, I'm very happy to be picked as a reviewer among these great channels who are actually much larger than me. But you're going to have RC Sailors, you're going to have myself, you're going to have Quadcopter 101, you're going to have Captain Drone, you're going to have Drone Camps RC, you're going to have Dustin Dunnell, and Gadzets for You, I think is how they say it, G-A-D-Z-E-T for You, and Tech Drones. Those are the channels that are going to be having it for review, and just giving them all a little shout out for you to check their reviews out along with mine, hopefully. And at the bottom of this video I'll put a link for the pre-sale order if you want to click that link and get yours for $399. I appreciate it, and proceeds of course go towards my children's charities, so you'll be purchasing it, saving some money, and also doing a good thing at the same time. So I'm adding Hubsan's video to the end of this so you can watch that. They put out a great video, very informative for advertising on the Zino 2, and if you have not seen it, go ahead and watch it now. If you've already seen it, you can end the video right here, and I'll just end in saying Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you next year. Take care.
Stand taller and look farther. Open your eyes. Everyone can become a great photographer. Go outside, yearning for the sun. Pursue the distance, then the world can be wider. For this time, brand new generation Zino 2 immersed you to positions out of sight. The upgrade is more than a little on this occasion. Added visual sensor at the bottom, enabled superior environmental awareness, acquires the powerful low-light fixed-point capability, lets you fly with precise positioning and hovers more stable, either browsing nature or recording beautiful moments. To see a full expanse of worlds and explore the unknown, Zino 2 uses the latest LEES 2.0 image transmission system. Based on the new architecture design, obtained the ability to adapt to complex environments. Maximum image transmission distance increased to 6 kilometers. Lets you discover the wonderful far off. Zino 2 comes with a stronger power system. Maximum flight velocity increased to 20 meters a second. Lets you enjoy dedicated to discover the new world. Adopted smart battery, created battery management unit, and self-learning mechanism, which maximize the battery lifetime to 33 minutes. Zino 2 benefits from its powerful flight control auto-stabilization system. Flight stability and wind resistance were equally remarkable in windy conditions. Take you on a fun shooting journey. A simple lifestyle is relaxing and comfortable. So is Zino 2. AI vision assists precise landing, automatically searching apron landing, quickly locates an accurate return. What is terrific, Zino 2's newly designed enhanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. Enable record the shot stably and smoothly. The modular design of the gimbal facilitates replacement and quick disassembly. Zino 2 equipped with an upgraded image acquisition system. Records non-destructive 4K 60 FPS video that captures more image detail. Also, support full HD 120 FPS slow motion video, inviting you to feel the time close up. Take photos in the RAW format. Video shooting support SLN RAW mode that reserves more video details to give you a realistic visual feast. Everyone has the tool to discover beauty. Let's embrace this colorful world. Zino 2 can shoot amazing time-lapse videos with one click. Experience the ever-changing world of light and shadow. Create time-lapse works that are undetectable to the naked eye. Zino 2 uses Sony 1 out of 2.3-inch image sensor, endowing an outstanding capability to capture light and shadow. The dual DSP hardcore unit guaranteed the ability to process 4K video data, help you to experience the rich in beauty for city. Free to adjust the color and shooting parameters, with customizable color and white balance when taking photos and videos. Present your creative blockbusters with color. Upgraded AI image follow. Let Zino 2 become your intimate photography partner, improving the response speed, increasing type identifications, provide arbitrary shooting for you, achieving a more accurate image following. Movie mode provided a more precise altitude control. You can adjust the speed of the tilt axis of the gimbal on app, meet various needs of shooting speed, lends professional, smooth, and unique effects to your work. Come into your life, discover the world. Orbit shooting, 360-degree shooting, line fly mode, panorama mode. Interact with nature, life with your heart. Feel every beauty on earth. Yes, you will find the world filled with fun and joy. Hubsan Zino 2 Freshen Up. Widen your horizon, explore the world. A refreshing change. Give a good account.